Today we're going to be taking out a ceiling light fixture and installing a new one. So let's check it out. Alright, so here we have the old fixture and the wires that attach it. So what we want to do first is we have the neutral wire, the live wire, and the grounding wire, or the earth wire, right? And we are just going to simply unattach these. I'm going with neutral first. I'm going to do the live wire next. And then I will undo the earth wire, or the grounding wire, which is held together by the green screw right here. So you just unscrew that. And then once everything is unplugged, you just go ahead and unscrew your bar or your bracket, whatever this thing is that's holding your light fixture in place. And then once you get that all unscrewed, bada bing, bada boom, you have uninstalled your ceiling light fixture. So from here, you're going to install your new bracket or bar, whatever it is, and you just want to make sure it's secure. So here, mine's not a bar, it's a circular disc that I'm installing into the ceiling, and it seems a little bit weird, like it moves a tiny bit, but it's definitely secure. So I'm going to take the ground wire right there. I have the ground wire. This is the live wire, the black one, and the neutral wire, the white wire. So how I would like to install this is the exact reverse of what I did the first time. So the first time I did the neutral, the live, and then the grounding wire. So what I'm doing first is the ground wire, right? I'm going to connect that to the green wire, or to the green screw, right? The earth wire. I'm going to make sure that's secured. I'm going to take this wire nut and I'm going to put together the two black wires, which are the live wires, right? This is where it helped to have another hand, because holding this thing, try and record and do the work at the same time is absolutely crazy, and absolutely the reason why I can't get a good camera angle. So just believe that I'm tightening the live wire, which is the two black wires, together. And then next will be the two white wires, the two neutral wires. So again, you're going to do ground, live, neutral, green, black, white. Only got one light bulb to test this, so let's see how it goes. There you go. That's how to set up your ceiling light fixture.